Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the complete Bonk Bot settings. So if you haven't already used Bonk Bot before, then I will put the link of it down in the description box. So you just have to click on that link and that link will redirect you in the Telegram application, whether you are using your PC or your mobile device. Now, if you are completely new on Bonk Bot, then I would recommend you to check out the tutorial that I have made on this topic. So after that, you will be able to learn a lot of things about Bonk Bot, as this video is going to talk about the best settings for Bonk Bot only. So once you are on this page, you need to click on the start button or the menu button and then click on home. Once done, you will be able to see this type of options in front of you, or basically this type of menu bar in front of you, where you are going to see various options. As we want to access settings, you will have to click on the settings tab, and as you can see that there are a bunch of settings that you can utilize. So over here, first setting that we have is of announcements. So basically you are going to get some of the occasional announcements from Bonk Bot if you enable it. So if you want to disable or enable it, it completely depends on you. Personally, I turn it green so that I could have the announcements. Sometimes these can be beneficial for me as well. Next, we have the option of minimum position value. So basically this is the value that will be shown in your portfolio. Other than this, the tokens will be hidden below this threshold. So if you want to change it, then simply click on it, and after that you need to provide your value without the dollar option over here. So if you want to change it, then go ahead and you can definitely change it. Next, we have the option of auto buy. So as its name suggesting, it will immediately buy the tokens for you when you paste the token address of it. So if you want to enable it, then simply click on it, and once it turns green, it simply means that you have enabled the auto buy option. Right next to it is the Solana that it will take from your portfolio or from your wallet when it will make the auto buy. So I would recommend you to turn it off, because sometimes with this option it will also buy the tokens that you don't actually want to buy. So I would recommend you to keep control in your hand. Next, we have the option of buy and sell buttons configure. So these buttons are basically the presets that you can use at the time of buying or selling the coins on Bonk Bot. Now I will show you how this works. So let's say I want to buy any of the coins on Bonk Bot, so I'll simply click on the buy button. Then it is asking me to provide the token address. So this is the token address and I press enter. Once done, now you will notice that there are various presets and these are similar to this. So basically you can use these quick presets in order to quickly conclude your transaction. So if you want to change it, then you will have to click on the left or the right section, and after that you need to provide the presets. Let's say you want 0.01, so I simply need to enter it. Then it will be added in this section. Similarly is the case with the sell configure, so you can change it to the left and the right. So let's say whenever your token is 100% up, you want to book 50% of your profit, so simply need to click on this left button, and after that you need to type 50 in order to add it into the preset. So you just have to use this preset and it will quickly sell the tokens from your account. Next, in the right hand section, you can keep it as 100% if you want to sell your token in the future. Next, we have the option of slippage configure. So I would recommend you to keep the slippage between 10 to 20% for buying, and for selling you can keep it between 20 to 30%. So if you don't know what a slippage is, so slippage is basically the difference between the expected cryptocurrency price and the actual price at which you sold the crypto. So this is the best setting for slippage. After that, we have the maximum price impact. So the maximum price impact is here to protect you against the trades in extremely liquidity pool. So you can also keep it from 20 to 30%. So I'll simply click on it and I will put it to 25%. Next, we have the option of May protection. So the May protection accelerates your transactions and it also protects you against the fault runs to make sure that you get the best price possible. So you have two settings here. One is turbo and the second one is of secure. So in the turbo settings, your transaction will be very fast, but if you want to make them more secure, then you can set this setting as secure. So it is completely up to you whether you want to choose turbo or secure. Next, in the transaction priority, so the transaction priority will increase your transaction priority to improve the transaction speed. So you can use it high or you can keep it as very high. As I said before, this is completely depends on you. So these are some of the best settings that you can use to make buy coins using Bonk Bot. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.